So this is the demonstration for SnoozeShade for infant car seats deluxe, and also you can see we have here some free baby sleep tips that you can get, and also there is a QR code for instructions as well in case you need them. So this is the outer bag, which is also where you can store your SnoozeShade, so it's all built in. If you've got one of these car seats, which is like a Maxi-Cosi basically, or similar, which has got one of these hoods that you can attach around here, you just want to pull that bit down because you won't be needing it, and then take your SnoozeShade out, give it a little shake, and then attach these two top straps. They attach using poppers. These are the only baby safe certified poppers in the world, and we just simply put them around the handle and pop them closed. There you go. And then you can, if you want, just use this bit here to support the handle if you need to. And then we just pull the back over the back of the car seat and the front over the front of the car seat, like so. So this is it in full sleep mode, and what that means is you've got the front outer layer here, which I call the snooze panel, and you can fold that up away, and again you've got little poppers here which you can attach to store it away neatly, like so. And then you've got two zips on the front. This is what I call the shade panel, and this one layer blocks 80% of UV, and then when you pull up the outer layer that blocks 97.5%, which is UPF 40 plus. And you can have the front panel fully closed if you want, and then that also protects it from bugs and all sorts of things, or if you want you can have it slightly open like so, so you just see in and check in on baby. You can't see clearly in due to the fact that if you can, then so can the sun, and this provides the highest level of sun protection on the market. Baby can see clearly out, you just can't see clearly in, I'm afraid. Can't have it both ways. And we also have the sneak peek zip up the top, which means that you can just check in on baby. Right, so we're going to assume that baby needs a nap, and we're going to pull up the snooze panel, and you simply attach it like so with the poppers. And then this blocks, as I said, 97.5% of UV, but it also blocks 94% of light, so it blurs distractions and helps baby go to sleep. And we've got a new addition, which is something that parents have been asking for, which is a new little sign on the front which says, "Stop, please don't touch, I'm too little for big germs, thank you," which is a very polite deterrent to those lovely people who want to touch your baby or get a bit too close when you maybe don't want them to. And so this is SnoozeShade for infant car seats deluxe.